The Shigar Fort means the fort on rock is an old fort of Baltistan and Pakistan located in the town of Shigar. It was built in the 17th century by the Raja of Amacha Dynasty of Shigar. The fort has been restored by Aga Khan Cultural Service Pakistan, the Pakistan arm of the Aga Khan Historic Cities program. After restoration, the fort was converted to a museum and luxury hotel managed by Serena Hotels. The restoration process took place from 1999 to 2004 and cost approximately $1.4 million. Please subscribe the channel. Video edited by Gilgit Baltistani. Thank for the watching the video.